what a 2-hour ride from Beverly Hills to La Jolla does to you. So I'm gonna take you through a lot of the Altman brothers San Diego properties, so make sure to subscribe, like, comment below. That's why we do this. We don't do this for me, we do this for you. Come on. Now, you know, back in the day, they used to measure how good a house is by how many doors you got to pass through to enter through the front door. So come on in. That's just to get to the first level. Now we got to get in the house. Oh, what's up?
Hi, Josh.
How are you? Good to see you. Erica Barunda, Altman Brothers agent, San Diego. Say what's up to you two.
Hi, YouTube. Welcome to one of La Jolla's premier estates. We're standing on an acre property, which you rarely get in La Jolla. Every single room has an ocean view, so you rarely get that.
And so we're in the Muirlands, right? So
Correct.
That's the Malibu of San Diego.
Absolutely.
Come on in here. This house is immaculate. Everything about it is just move in ready. That means all you gotta bring is your toothbrush and your clothes. Also, there's quite a few pianos in this house.
Yeah, there's about 3 pianos in this home.
There you go. Have you ever seen more than that? Because I have not, but 3 pianos, that's when you know you got a serious musician in the house. And they're all situated in the perfect place to play, and then who's ever hanging out with you can take in that incredible view.
And you also have La Jolla Country Club right off of this corner here. This is kind of a cool piece to show the perfect swing, the perfect golf swing.
Man,
one of the
where
coolest
was that
sculptures
the
I have
other
ever
day?
seen.
Yep. Oh, wow. It even's got the right thumb work. That's a very cool piece. I like that. The perfect swing. How about the perfect sail? Can we do that? Like slow motion realtor shaking hands with the seller and the key pass. All right, so you got a beautiful dining room off of the living area. And what I like about this is, listen, you've seen some crazy houses on this YouTube channel, but for me, of course, being a dad these days, it's all about the home, right? It's where the home is where the heart is. And when you have kids, it's all about having a house that's homey. This one is very homey. Oh, look at this.
Meet Alfred.
Come here. So these are 2 statues. It's crazy how real they look. The first one is Alfred, and then what's even crazier about this whole thing is they have a statue of Matt Altman, and you can even go. That was good, Matt. You stood still pretty well.
Somatic kitchen.
Somatic.
Somatic.
What does that
All
mean? Because wait, listen,
Lots
our
of things.
agents at the Altman Brothers are so good. They use words that I don't even know.
Yeah, it's a designer name.
Wow, okay, can we pop that up, Ben, just to make sure? Okay, all right, fine. All right, well, listen, Erica, top of the game.
And then you have eucalyptus fumed wood lined up with the refrigerator and the freezer. Look at this pantry. Have you ever seen a pantry lined up like that? How organized are they?
Way more organized than my house. I love this wood. This is awesome.
Yeah, so it's eucalyptus fumed wood.
Wow.
It's very elegant.
This is like the wood that you see in like Rolls Royces.
Right.
Yeah, not really, but it's like that.
Spices are hidden
Oh, I love
on
that.
that side as well.
I love that. I mean, you learn that in houses, places to hide stuff is probably the best.
You got to show this, Josh.
Should I show that?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, come on, come on. All right, now, those of you who have been realtors for a long time, a lot longer than the 20 years that I have, understand what this is. Basically,
They prospected.
pull this up. You pull this up, put it in. Hey, Josh Altman, Altman Brothers, looking to sell your house? Hold on one sec, boom, boom. Hey, can you hold? Altman Brothers, boom, boom. Altman Brothers, how can we sell your house? I mean, that's what it was back in the day. This is a switchboard. You know, one of my favorite shows is American Pickers. Big shout out to American Pickers. This is a Kellogg switchboard. I don't know, maybe somebody can tell me how much this is worth. It is an antique. And believe it or not, this is our client's father.
Yep.
Built this,
Exactly.
right?
He built that.
God, I love this. I love that piece.
As you'll notice, there's Peter Lick photography throughout the entire home. It's a staple in La Jolla. If you don't have a Peter Lick photo on your wall, do you even live in La Jolla?
I mean, I got a Peter Lick. Yeah, I feel like
you have some on your wall.
I think he's like the biggest selling artist in the like ever.
Yes, and he has a strong precedence here in La Jolla. So every single room is en suite, meaning walk-in closets, own bathrooms, and ocean views here.
Oh yeah, let's check out the views.
These are all Albertini windows and doors throughout the whole entire property.
Which, for a realtor?
Albertini is like the designer of doors and windows.
Not only that, always, if you don't know what you're doing with these doors, they get a little difficult.
They do.
Right? So I can tell that you sell a lot of houses because you were just like,
I've showed this house once or twice.
okay, there you go. I like how they also did all this too, because it's like you're in a bed and breakfast here where you have different tables. Like, oh, breakfast this morning? I'll take eggs, bacon, hash browns, well done, and no, you're supposed to be eating with me. You're not the realtor.
The order.
I mean, you're not the waiter.
Oh, I thought we were role playing here. This is where the deals get done.
Yeah, I like this. You know, it's funny. You can always feel where the deals get done. This is a different type of setup for an office. I love it. You can always tell a lot about your clients by looking at the books that they have in their offices. What books would they find in your office?
Make Your Move.
It's Your Move.
It's Your Move.
So much for Erica being part of the Altman Brothers team. It's Your Move is the name of my book, not Make Your Move, although that maybe will be the next one.
Make Your Move.
Yeah, now mine will all be kids' books if you came into my library.
Let me show you something really cool about this photo here. Do you see anything in her pupil here?
Oh, Statue of Liberty. There you go.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's actually his wife's eyes there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, welcome to the master bedroom, right?
Right. This is one of their favorite pieces of the whole house is this bedroom set here. It is not a piece from Game of Thrones, but they actually love it so much that they bought two for the home. They brought it all the way from New York City.
I think it's really awesome, actually. I would paint it, I think it's silverish. I would paint it gold. I love this. I think this is beautiful. It does feel very spa-like in here.
You have dual sinks, vanities, steam shower. Right behind you, you got the toilet. Completely remodeled just a few years ago.
Cool, perfect. Yeah, I mean, this house is so immaculate. It's crazy, right? All right, where to? We're going upstairs now?
Yeah, we're gonna go up to the guest quarters where all the entertainment happens. Now, I mentioned earlier, downstairs is single level living with guest quarters, upstairs and entertainment. And this is a space where you have Christmas, Thanksgiving, the kids are playing, they're playing their music, they're coloring in their coloring books, watching TV, playing pool. This space has multiple things to do.
This is an epic room because you get the entire view, the mountains over there, you got the ocean, and I like how they kind of split it up into multiple different areas because it is such a big space, but yet, you know what I see? I see something that brings me back to my childhood, and I have to play it. Watch this. Oh yeah, I know how to turn these on because I had one growing up.
VIDEVO.
Oh, yes. Oh, killing it. Yes. Ah, Cobra Kai rules. So I had one of these growing up, and Matt and I used to have battles. Ours was a Superman machine, and you try to spell out the letters in Superman. If you spell it out, you win. Probably one of the best memories of my life growing up. If you got kids, be cool parents, go out there and go buy a pinball machine for them. I mean, this is why people buy in San Diego, by the way. I don't know what the exact stats are, but it's like, what, 340 days out of the year is just perfect sunny weather.
The winter in San Diego where it's 78 degrees all year round.
That is why. I mean, it's incredible, great place to live. So this is cool because you got the pool here actually right outside of the kitchen, which I love. You're hanging out, family's eating, someone decides to do a cannonball into the pool. Well, you're all good.
Well, I hope you love the tour at 6404 La Jolla Scenic South here in the Muirlands area. If you liked what you saw, give us a call. We're always around for a showing.
That's right, price $7,995,000. If you want to see it, hit us up. This one's available and actually newly reduced.
Correct.
So maybe it won't be available when you want to see it unless you do it right now.